Okay, I'm sitting here, the chair. Take a break. It's a long walk to come here. Walk here maybe a little bit more than half hour. Then inside is very large. It's half, like 20% of the city. If you want to walk around the lake. Oh gosh, I still have some cough. COVID. I never get infected in America for almost 3 years. Now I'm here. Get infected immediately after China reopens. This is a nice, like old-time building, right? Well, I don't think I can go inside. They locked. They used to open. Could be a restaurant or some club area. See, the door is locked. Cannot really go inside there. Oh, but some part is open. See here. That is the old wall. It's as old as the Great Wall you can see in Beijing. It's built in the same time. Today is January 3rd, 2023. It's sunset. It's 4 o'clock, I think. I still have some cough. I tested positive in December 23rd. In fact, before that, I already have some symptoms. I think I got COVID. Then I got the test kit from a pharmacy 23rd when I went out, go to a kind of a faraway place for the house, for my condominium in Nanjing to inherit it. Then I see a pharmacy not very close to downtown, so government there to give every citizen 5 home test kit with 20 Chinese yuan. I got some, then I can test myself, then I test positive. In fact, I should go to some testing sites. They don't have many testing sites available now, but they still have some. Get myself tested, but I didn't. I was too lazy. When people get sick, they just want to stay home and sleep. So I didn't go out. Maybe I should get tested maybe this weekend to see if I'm still do a PCR test to see I'm still positive. Because if I'm positive, I cannot go back to America. I'm stuck here. Dr. Bride hates the policy, right? They really stuck me here because many people, they get infections, and after infection, it's very difficult for them to test negative. Some people test positive many months after they get the infection. It's not about they still infect other people. It's just the leftover virus inside of them, especially the PCR test. It's very difficult to test negative. Sometimes, for some people, once you infected with COVID, maybe I will stuck here for a while. I don't think the policy will keep many months. Maybe I delay, go back to American. I have many things to do here. I have 2 condominiums to inherit and some money. And my mom passed away suddenly, so I basically have to connect all the documents myself. I cannot find anything at home. Okay, that's just my personal business. I shouldn't talk about it. This is a beautiful building. This area, and that is a wall, old wall, thousands of years. This is the lake. That is Jing Mountain. We went to the other side of Jing Mountain the other day for the Sun Zhongshan buried there. Okay. I shoot another video. I cannot really shoot too long video. It's very difficult to upload.